Welcome to our channel. If you have lost your driver's license and need to report it to the DMV to get a replacement, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your identity is protected and you receive a new license. Step 1. Visit the official DMV website for your state, or go to the DMV office in person. Step 2. Look for the section titled Replace or Renew License or Lost or Stolen License. Step 3. Fill out the required form for a duplicate driver's license. You will need to provide personal information such as your name, address, date of birth, and driver's license number if you remember it. Step 4. Submit proof of identity, such as a passport, birth certificate, or utility bill, depending on your state's requirements. Step 5. Pay the replacement fee, which varies by state. Most states accept payment online via credit or debit card. Step 6. If applying online, you will receive a temporary license via email that you can use until your new physical license arrives. Step 7. If applying in person, you may receive a temporary paper license immediately, and your permanent license will be mailed to you within a few weeks. Step 8. Check your mailbox regularly for your new driver's license and ensure it arrives safely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.